Hey, Lucy. How are you?
Orthopedic surgeon Nirav Shah specializes in shoulders and knees. He replaced Lucy Boyajian's shoulder 3 months ago. One titanium joint later, she's doing well. But what if he could have ordered up a 3D printed shoulder, customized to her measurements?
What Ramel and Adam have done is they've created something very, very unique, very, very innovative, and a game changer in many aspects. In essence, they've created a synthetic bone, if you would.
Ramel Shah is Dr. Shah's wife and a materials scientist at Northwestern University. With support from the National Science Foundation, she and engineer Adam Jacobs have developed a new 3D printed synthetic material called hyperelastic bone.
What 3D printing allows us to do also is to make patient-specific or patient-matched implants, where if a patient comes in with a defect, say a craniofacial defect, we're able to take a scan of that defect and print it into the right size and shape that fits that patient perfectly.
Unlike a bone graft from a patient's own body or from metal or traditional ceramic, the new synthetic bone is made of an elastic ceramic. So if it's squished, it bounces back to its original shape. It starts as a liquid ink and is printed out in whatever shape the doctors need. The process is fast, and everything happens at room temperature.
It deposits on a surface, and wherever we put the material, it goes where we want it to go.
They also print sheets.
So with the flat sheets, we're able to create off-the-shelf products where the surgeon can take these sheets and cut it down to size. It can be rolled as well, it can be sutured, it can be folded.
Once implanted, the hyperelastic bone promotes tissue growth, and it becomes part of the patient's own bone as it regenerates.
So once implanted inside the body, the hyperelastic bone eventually becomes new bone. It becomes part of you.
The new synthetic bone is less expensive than what's been available up until now, and it handles better in the operating room. Dr. Shah says surgeons are ready to embrace this advance and its implications for improving patient outcomes.